Hi, let's look at this question from the 2019 O-Level E-Maths paper. This is question 6. So in this question, we are asked to write as a single fraction this expression over here. As you can see, this expression has two fractions with different denominators. So what we need to do is we need to have a common denominator. So that is the first step I'm going to perform. So for the first fraction here, 2x minus 3 is already given, so I'm going to add in the second denominator, which is actually from the second fraction over here, so 3x minus 1. So since I add a 3x minus 1 to the denominator, I must add a 3x minus 1 to the numerator as well. So I get 3x minus 1 over here. Subtract. For the second fraction, I already have 3x minus 1. So I'm going to add the first fraction's denominator over here, 2x minus 3. And since I add a 2x minus 3 to the denominator, I need to add the 2x minus 3 to the numerator as well. So 3 multiplied by 2x minus 3 over here. Now, once that is done, you can see that both these fractions now have a common denominator. So I can write it as a single fraction, 2x minus 3 and 3x minus 1. Okay, and now the numerators, I can perform the necessary arithmetic operations. So I'll have 3x minus 1 minus 3 into 2x minus 3. Okay, I can now proceed to expand the numerator and simplify it. So I have 3x minus 1 minus 6x plus 9 divided by 2x minus 3 and 3x minus 1. Okay, and the last step will be to simplify. So 3x minus 6x will be minus 3x, minus 1 plus 9 is minus 8, plus 8 over here, divided by 2x minus 3 into 3x minus 1. Alright, so that is the final answer here for this question. Alright, so as you can see, as long as you get the first step correct, which is to make sure that both the denominators have a common, both the fractions have a common denominator, then the rest of it are basically arithmetic operations. Alright, so I hope that this video has given you a good idea how to approach such fraction questions, fraction-based questions. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.